train your English voice to use I like and I hate. Sometimes we use I like and I hate to express how we feel about something in general and not about a specific item or object. Then we do not use the word the in front of the nouns that we are talking about. For example, I like music, not I like the music. I hate choirs, not I hate the choirs. Some more examples. I like sports. I hate novels. We also don't use the in front of weather, sport, names, games, and school subjects. For example, we say, I like badminton, not I like the badminton. If we do want to refer to something specifically, for example, the music in the new film, then you need to use the. For example, I like the music in the new film, not I like music in general. Another example, I hate the music in the new film.